From so many online businesses, here are the 18 most popular passive ways to make money online. Also, before we begin, those are not quick rich, and most of those take time. And if you are still here, let's get started. The first one is blogging. My own blog makes over $3,000 per month, which is great. However, it takes time to make a living out of it. Your first blog will take about a year to generate any income. But once you survive this part, you will have multiple ways to make money. If you have good ideas, YouTube can make you rich. Making money on YouTube is easier than blogging, but it's lengthy. YouTube pays between $4 and $7 per thousand views. However, like blogging, you won't start making money right away because of those requirements. The third method works well with YouTube and blogging. It's called affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you promote others' products and get a commission. It's connected with most online money-making methods, and it's considered a universal way of earning money. Okay, another method which is like a broad category is influencing. Basically, you get famous on social media by posting engaging content. If you are lucky, you can showcase your God-given talent. Using the affiliate marketing method or by partnering with brands, you can make thousands of dollars by promoting products. The fifth method is newsletters. It's a universal method and works with other ways, but the problem is that it can't work on its own. You need some sort of medium to get people's emails. In those emails, you can promote products or sponsor other brands. On this note, we can call sponsorships a separate method. Sponsorship is basically partnering with brands and promoting their products through your medium. Like newsletters, it can pair with most ways, but can't survive on its own. Another best part is that once you have enough traffic, you won't need to find sponsors. You will be approached by them. Okay, if you want to make money online but not for long, you will love the freelancer idea. The idea is you sign up on those websites and work for others. You will struggle a bit initially, but after a few clients, finding more will be easier. If you have a team in those nations, you can get orders in those nations and give them to your team at a much lower price tag. In the freelancing category, there's one particular method that will help you get experience in one of the most difficult industries. If you like to write, you can become a content creator and write for others. A 1,000-word article can pay you from $30 to $50. Some experienced writers charge more than 10 cents per word. It's probably not the best idea because AI has been taken over, but for temporary work, it can make you good money. Now we are moving into things that take a lot of time, but if done correctly, you can expect hundreds of thousands of dollars within days or weeks. The first one is courses. You create an online course and teach students. For this to work, you need some sort of traffic. Platforms like YouTube, blog, and Twitter work the best. You can publish content on those and suggest users to enroll if they want your premium services. If your course is for $10 and 10,000 users join, you will make $100,000. If courses are a drag for you, you will love the digital product idea. In digital products, you create a product like an ebook, templates, designs, etc. and sell those things online. Like courses, you will need some sort of traffic to bring users to your digital products. Now the next two methods can't be done by everyone. The first one is apps and software. A good piece of software is one of the quickest ways to become a billionaire. Today, most software packages are subscription based, so the person who makes a piece of software makes money indefinitely. However, it's not easy to get into this method because it takes a lot of time to build something good. And most of the time, it's not a one-person job. If you don't like software development, you might like game development. This is my game. I'm too lazy to finish it because it is taking a lot of time. However, I'm pretty sure that this game will at least make me a few $1,000s. If you are into coding and programming, you can build a game and publish it on stores like those. But something simple won't cut it. You will need a unique product if you are aiming for thousands and even millions of dollars. The 13th method is showcasing your digital talent. Today more than ever, people need stock footage and there's always never enough. If you have good ideas, you can take good photos and videos and publish them on those platforms. If you have experience in taking photos and videos, making money from stock is easy because you can upload your single photo or video to all those platforms and make money. The next method is podcasts. Podcasts are losing their touch, but they won't vanish anytime soon. Podcasts do not need any other medium to grow, but anything else is a plus. Also, if you are new, your podcast can help in growing your other platforms. To make money, You can have sponsorships, affiliated products, and even ads. Okay, this method is my favorite because this method transfers you 40 months of salary within a day. If you are into blogging, you can create a new website, run it for about a year or two, and then sell it on platforms like those. A website's worth is checked by multiplying its monthly revenue by a number between 30 and 60 depending on the industry. If your website makes $3,000 per month, you can sell it for over $100,000. Alright, the next method is print on demand. I don't know why people think it's the best way, but it isn't. Still, you can make good money by going to platforms like Printify and designing t-shirts, cups, and photos and selling them on Etsy. The problem is that it's hard to come up with unique designs. However, each sale can make you $10 to $20 richer. Okay, this method is for those who really don't want to work much and sit at their computers for a few extra dollars. Surveys are popular and those platforms will pay you to conduct surveys. It's not a fully profitable work, but you can make a few extra dollars a day, which is enough to live in some countries. The last method is investing. With investing, you let the money do everything for you. If you invest $500 a month for 20 years, you will have over $330,000. If you are interested in investing, you should start with ETFs because those are less risky. With that being covered, let's end this video here because I'm tired. But before you go, check out the 7 best ways to make money. I'll catch you later. Take care.